Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, the junk seller, and today's topic is money. Okay students? Dear students, please open page number 42. Page number 42. Question number 12. Okay students? Question number 12 is calculate the total amount of money. Calculate the total amount of money. Okay students, in this question here we have to calculate the total amount of money. Okay, now let's start question number 12 of A. In this question here given that 8 10 rupees notes, 8 10 rupees notes, 5 rupees notes, and 8 coin of rupee 1. 8 coin of rupee 1 is equal to how many? Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question here we have to add 8 10 rupees note, 5 rupees note, and 8 coin of rupees 1. Understand? So look at here carefully. That's when we know that here given that 8 10 rupee note, it means that here given that 8 10 rupee note, it means that 8 10 rupees note is equal to, dear students, look here given that 8 and here given that 10. If we have to take the multiplication by 8 and 10, then we get 8 10 80 rupees. Okay, 80 rupees. Similarly, here given that 5 rupees notes, 5 rupees notes means distance here given that 5 and here 5. It means that here we have to take the multiplication of 5 and 5. Okay, then after multiplying these we get 5 5 25 rupees. 25 rupees. Okay, it means that 25 rupees. Understand? And here given that 8 coin of rupees 1. Distance, look at here carefully. 8 coin of rupee 1 is equal to, listen, here given that 8 coin, it means that if we have to take the multiplication by 8 and 1, okay, then we get 8 1 8 rupees. Okay, 8 rupees. Then the total amount of money, then the total amount of money is equal to, distance, look at here carefully. If we have to add 80 rupees, 25 rupees and 8 rupees, then we get, look at here carefully, rupees 80 plus rupees 50, 25 plus rupees 25 plus rupees 8 is equal to distance. If we have to add rupees 80 plus rupees 25 plus rupees 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 of 3, okay distance, carry 1 distance, please keep in mind here we get carry 1, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, then the total amount of money is 113. Understand dear sons, this is the answer of this question. It means that the total amount of money is rupees 113. Clear? Similarly, do it yourself, all given questions in this questions. Okay, sons, now erase this. Now let's start question number 12 of B. In question number 12 of B, here given that 400 rupees note, 400 rupees notes, 8 20 rupees note, 8 20 rupees notes and 20 10 rupee, 20 10 rupee notes is equal to how many rupees? Okay, sons, look at here carefully. In this question here given that 400 rupees notes, it means that here given that 400 rupees notes, it means that look at here carefully, 400 rupee note is equal to rupees, look here given that 4 into here given that 100, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of 100 and 4, then we get 400 rupees. Okay distance, here we get 400 rupees. Similarly, we can solve this. Here given that 8 20 rupees notes, 8 20 rupee notes, 8 20 rupees notes is equal to distance, here given that 8 and here given that 20. If we have to take the multiplication of 8 and 20, after multiplying these we get 8 2 is 16 and here 0 as same. Okay, it means that 28 is 160 rupees. Similarly, in this here given that 20 10 rupees notes, 20 10 rupee notes is equal to distance, here we have to take 20 and here given that 10, therefore here we have to take 10. After multiplying these we get 2 1 is 2 and 0 0 as same, here we have to take 0 0 as same. It means that 20 10 is rupees 200. Understand? Then the total amount of money is equal to, dear friends, if we have to add rupees 400, rupees 160 and rupees 200, then we get the total amount of money. Look, rupees 400 plus rupees 160 plus rupees 200. After adding these, here we get, look, 0 0 0 as same, it means that here we will get 0. Look, here given that 400 plus 160 plus 200. Look at here carefully, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. After adding these, we get 760. Okay, distance. After adding these, we get 760 rupees. Understand? Then 400 rupees notes, 820 rupees notes and 2010 rupees notes is equal to total amount of money is 760 rupees. Clear? Okay, distance. Similarly, you can do it. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 12 of C. Dear students, please open page number 43. Question number 12 of C. In this question, here given that 450 rupees notes, 450 rupees notes, 6 20 rupee notes, 8 2 rupees notes, 8 2 rupee notes and 5 coin of 50 paise and 5 coin of 50 paise. Okay, distance is equal to how many total rupees? Okay, look at here carefully. In this question here given that 450 rupee notes, 6 20 rupee notes, 8 2 rupees notes and 5 coin of 50 paise. Okay, distance, look at here carefully. In this question here given that 450 rupee notes, is equal to, here given that 4 and here 50, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of 4 and 50, after multiplying these, here we get 4 5 is 20, it means that 20 and 0 is same, that means that 54 is 200. Okay, in this here given that 6 20 rupee notes, 6 20 rupee notes, here we have to take 6 into 20 rupees, it means that 20, it means that here we have to take the multiplication of 6 and 20. After multiplying these we get 6 0 is 0 and 6 2 is 12. Okay, distance, after multiplying these, here we get 120 rupees. And here given that 8 2 rupees notes, 8 2 rupee notes is equal to, here given that 8 and here given that 2, It means that if we have to take the multiplication of 8 and 2, after multiplying these we get 8 2 is 16. Okay, distance 8 2 is 16 rupees. And in this here given that 5 coin of 50 paise. Distance here given that 5 coin of 50 paise. 50 paise. Okay, distance. We know that 50 paise is equal to 0.50 rupees. Okay, distance. We know that 50 paise is equal to 0.50 rupees. Okay. It means that in this question here we have to take the multiplication by 5 into 0.50 paise. Okay, after multiplying these we get 5 0 is 0, 5 5 is 25. Okay, okay, distance. Here given that the decimal point attached before 2-digit place, therefore here we have to take the decimal point attached before 2-digit place. Okay, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of 5 and 0.50, then we get rupees 2.50. Understand? Okay, look. Then the total amount of money is equal to, distance, look at here carefully. If we have to add rupees 200 plus rupees 120 plus rupees 16 rupees 2.50. It means that distance here we can take decimal point as here, here and here, and here we get 0 0. Okay, distance. After adding these we get the total amount of money. Okay, look, 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 0 is 0, plus 0 is 0. Here we get 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, here we can take decimal point. Look, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3. It means that the total amount of money is rupees 338.50. It means that 338 rupees and 50 paise. Understand? Okay, son, this is the answer of this question. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, understand? Okay, sons. Question number 12D. Question number 12D and 12E. Do it yourself. Do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, if any student have doubt in question number 12D and 12E, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Okay, students? So question number 12D and 12E, do it yourself in your maths homework. Okay, now read this. Now let's start question number 13. Okay students, now let's start question number 13. Add the following. Question number 13 is add the following. Question number 13 of A is here given that rupees 165.00 and rupees 435.20. Okay students, and question number 13 of B is rupees 95.25 and rupees 130.20. Question number 13 of C is rupees 346.10 and rupees 149.50. Okay students. Okay students, look at here carefully. Question number 13 of A. Question number 13 of A is here given that rupees 165.00 and rupees 435.20. Okay students, here we have to add this and this. Look at here carefully. Rupees 165.00 plus rupees 435.20. After adding these, here we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Here we have to take decimal point as same place. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 of 0. Listen, please keep in mind, here we get carry 1. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 of 0. Here we get carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay friends, it means that 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, after adding these we get 600 rupees 20 paise. It means that rupees 600.20. Understand? Now let's start question number 13 of B. Question number 13 of B, here given that rupees 95.25 and rupees 130.20. Look, here we have to add rupees 95.25 and rupees 130.20. After adding these, we get 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4. And here we can take decimal point as same place. 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 of 2 carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, after adding these, here we get rupees 225.45. It means that 225 rupees 45 paise. Okay, so now let's start question number 13 of C. Question number 13 of C is here given that rupees 346.10, rupees 346.10 plus rupees 149.50. After adding these we get the answer of this question. Okay, look at here carefully. 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 5 is 6. Here we can take decimal point as same place. 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 of 5 carry 1. 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay students, after adding these we get rupees 495.60. It means that 495 rupees 60 paise. Okay, understand? Similarly, question number 13D and 13E. Do it yourself. Do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, distance. If any student have doubt in question number 13, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. And after completed the given classwork and homework, please show me. Okay. Now let's start question number 14. Now is this. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 14. Question number 14 is subtract. Here given that question number 14 of A is rupees 1450.60 from rupees 1500.80, and question number 14 of B is rupees 185 from rupees 900.50. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Question number 14 of A. Here we have to subtract this, subtract 1450 from 1500.80. It means that in this question here we have to subtract rupees 1450.60 from rupees 1500.80. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here we have to take 1500.80 minus rupees 1450.60. After subtracting these, here we get, look, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, here we have to take decimal point as same place. 0 minus 0 is 0. Look at here carefully. Here given that 0, here 5. We know that 0 is less than 5. Therefore, we can take 1 borrow from this 5, and this 0 makes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, and here we get 4 in place of 5. Then 4 minus 4 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that here we get 50 rupees 20 paise. Okay, distance, understand? It means that after subtracting these, we get 50 rupees 20 paise. Okay, in question number 14 of B, look, here given that rupees 185 from rupees 900.50. It means that here we have to take rupees 900.50 minus rupees 185.00. After subtracting these, we get the answer of this question. Look, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, and here we can take decimal point as same place. This one's here given that 0, here 5. We know that 0 is less than 5. Therefore, we can take 1 borrow from 9 and this 0 makes 10. Again we have to take 1 borrow from this 10 and this 0 makes 10. Okay, then 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we get 9 in place of 10. 9 minus 8 is 1, and here we get 8 in place of 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, after subtracting these, here we get rupees 715.50. Okay, similarly do it yourself. Okay students, question number 14 of C and 14 of D. Do it yourself. In maths homework, if any student have doubt in question number 14, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and after completed the given classwork and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay students, thank you.